Night frogs are carnivores that prefer easy prey. Hunting in the dark, though, can backfire. It turns out isn't just bad for humans. What insects make easy targets in the dark? It seems that catching a firefly is much easier than catching a mosquito. It glows in the dark, and it's not good for you either. Frogs regularly eat fireflies and glowworms, so a glowing cigarette butt on the ground makes a convincing meal. Turns out smoking harms not only humans, but unsuspecting night frogs too. The answer is smoking.